your limbs and fingers always listen to you and obey your orders? This experiment will show you that sometimes your fingers can refuse to obey you. All you need is a long wooden stick. Keep your index fingers of both hands pointed outwards. Balance the stick so that your two fingers are at either ends. Now order your fingers to slide towards the center. Tell them not to stop or pause. Impossible, huh? Your fingers refuse to listen to your simple order. When one moves, the other finger stops. After a while, the first finger stops and the other starts moving. Don't blame yourself. This happens due to gravity and friction. As your fingers start moving, one of the sides of the stick gets heavier. The finger at that end stops moving due to friction between your fingers and the stick. The other finger starts moving till its end becomes heavier. Now the reverse happens. This repeats till both fingers meet at the center of the stick. Amazing, isn't it?